Hey guys, today I want to show you a vacuum and sealing machine that I newly purchased. It's a very good machine and I want to tell you why I purchased one, because I have a lot of stuff in the kitchen, in the fridge, and usually if you have a vacuum and sealing machine, it's really good for the stuff you keep because it just makes the space bigger. You can just vacuum everything so they just take up a much less space, and also for the things that especially fresh things that you keep in the fridge, if you seal and vacuum them together, they stay much longer and fresher over time and they don't go ruin so quickly in the kitchen. So I really recommend to have one. I want to show you the machine that I bought, the features and how it is, and if you like, you can also have one of like these. The machine comes with a complete guide how to use it and how to use the different features. Also, it has a separate pipe which is getting connected to the machine, and you can seal many other things and even the things which is inside the glass containers, as well as some vacuum and sealing plastics and an extra rubber for the part of the sealing and vacuuming of the machine. The features are so great. Of course, on and off, you can vacuum and seal together moist items like whatever which is kind of wet, and also you can vacuum and seal the dry items separately. Also, you can have the option only to seal it and not to vacuum it, and you can just have a manual control over the sealing and vacuuming. This is a sealing part, and this is a part that the tip of the plastic should be placed. Also, there is another feature inside. You can just put a cling film wrap inside this machine, and it has a cutter to it, so you can just use it as normal without even using the sealing or vacuuming feature. I have been using this machine and actually I'm really happy with this machine. It's really good quality. So if you would like to have yours, I can leave the link down in the description box of the video. The link is from Amazon. You can just go there and purchase yours. For me, I'm giving a very good review and I'm happy with this. I'm using this for a month now and it's really a nice and compact machine.